Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction to Accounting adalah topik 1 dalam silibus Matriculation. Okey, untuk topik ini saya akan bahagikan kepada 2. Untuk video first part adalah daripada subtopik 1.1 until 1.6. Manakala untuk video part 2 adalah subtopik 1.7 hingga 1.9. Firstly, we look at the definition of accounting. Accounting is the process of identifying, that is, we identify transaction, recording, that is, we record transaction in the journal, classifying, that is, we classify data into categories such as purchase, sales, expenses, and others. Summarizing, that is, we presenting the classified data in summarized form, such as profit or loss item or balance sheet item. Communicating, that is, we communicate the information through accounting report or financial statement to users. And interpreting, that is, we interpreting financial information, that is, we interpret the performance of the company. On other words, the result of business or economic transaction to users in order for them to make a better decision. Uses of accounting information. The uses of accounting information divided into 2. Internal users and external users. The example of internal users are directors of company, managers, and internal auditor, while the example of external users are investor, creditors, government agencies, and others. The role of management as internal users are to make routine decisions and controlling operations. Internal auditor is to confirm the management system and the financial system of a company comply with accounting standards, while workers is to identify and evaluate business performance for salary and bonus. Accounting information is important for investor to know the company's profitability and the amount of dividend paid out to shareholders, and to decide whether they want to buy more shares or dispose the shares they have. While the accounting information is important for creditors, the creditors is, for example, suppliers or bankers, is to assess the ability of the business to repay the loan. While for inland revenue or lembaga hasil dalam negeri, the accounting information is important for them to determine the amount of tax to be collected by them. Bookkeeping and accounting is not same. There are a few differences between bookkeeping and accounting. Firstly, we look at the definition. For bookkeeping, bookkeeping is a part of accounting. Bookkeeping is a process of recording in chronological order the daily transaction of a business entity, while accounting is an information system. Accounting is a process of recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting, analyzing, and interpreting the financial condition and performance of a business. So, we can conclude that the scope of bookkeeping is the process involved is preliminary work in the accounting, while accounting is more extensive and thorough work beyond bookkeeping. And the person in charge of bookkeeping is accounting clerk, while accounting is an accountant. Branches of accounting is divided into financial accounting and managerial accounting. For financial accounting is the field of accounting that provide economic and financial information for internal and external user, while for managerial accounting provide economic and financial information for internal users only. There are three types of business entity. First is sole proprietorship or perniagaan tunggal. Secondly is partnership or perkongsian. And thirdly is company or syarikat. There are a few differences between sole proprietorship, partnership and company. For number of owner, sole proprietorship is only one. For partnership, the number of owner is between 2 to 20. And for the company, the number of company is 2 until unlimited. Secondly, the capital source. Sole proprietorship can get the capital source from the proprietor itself. The partnership can get the capital source from the partners, and the company can get the capital source from its shareholders. Thirdly, life of organization. For sole proprietorship is limited. For partnership is limited, while for the company is indefinite, that is unlimited. Fourthly is liabilities. For sole proprietorship, the liabilities is unlimited. For partnership, the liabilities is unlimited also. But for the company, the liabilities is limited. Fifthly, law of regulation. For sole proprietorship, the law of regulation is based on Business Act 1956. For partnership is Partnership Act 1961. And for company is Companies Act 1965. And for distribution of profit or loss, for proprietorship, the distribution of profit or loss is wholly owned by the proprietor. For partnership is among the partners. And for the company is allocated according to shares of capital or equity ratio. Just now, we have mentioned about unlimited liabilities. So, what is unlimited liabilities? According to Accounting Dictionary, unlimited liabilities refers to the legal obligation general partners and sole proprietors because they are liable for all business debts if the business can't pay its liabilities. In other words, general partners and sole proprietor are responsible for paying off all of the company debts personally if the company can't make its payment. Ini bermaksud apabila sesebuah perniagaan tunggal atau perniagaan perkongsian terlibat dengan keberhutangan yang tinggi, iaitu mereka sukar atau tidak dapat membayar hutang-hutang perniagaan, maka pada masa ini individu-individu yang ada dalam perniagaan tunggal atau perniagaan perkongsian terpaksa menggunakan duit ataupun aset individu untuk membayar hutang-hutang tersebut. Oleh itu, ia dipanggil sebagai liabilities tidak terhad ataupun unlimited liabilities. In business activities, there are three types of business activities: services, manufacturing, and merchandising. Business activities in service means provide services to customers rather than products. For example, Malaysian Airline System, Maraliner, or Kereta Api Tanah Melayu. For manufacturing, is convert basic resources or input into finished products or goods that are sold to customer. Example, gardenia and tire. Tire, the basic resources is rubber, and then they will convert to finished goods, that is tire, that are sold to customer. While for merchandising, is purchase inventories from other businesses such as other manufacturers and resell the inventories to customer. Example, Tesco and Mydin. Okay, that's all for video part 1, and see you soon on video part 2. So thank you and good day.